I lost traction because I switched the gear. I started in third, and then halfway down I thought, no, third's too fast. Went down to second and lost momentum.
We were just not prepared for it. We came too slow. I came to a halt here. I'll just stop there. I reckon I can get a start from here. There's a nice block underneath me. Should be enough to give me enough momentum. My turn. No, not enough momentum. Okay. Oh, you bet.
That was good fun.
Okay.
Looks like Pedro is returning. You're going down.
Hey?
I'll film you. Go on. Yeah, go. Whew. Looks like I made the right choice to go back down and start again. Accept defeat and try again. Right, let's see what he's doing there. Alright, Pedro's coming. Come on, come on. Stop. I can see why he was coming here.
It didn't get any easy, did it?
No, I can see why he went here. It's not easy. I'm gonna go back down, try again. Initially I thought that was hard. Well, it kind of was. It's quite steep up there. If you look from here, it's just like woohoo. Okay. I made a mistake.
Looks easy, guys. It's not that easy, man. Third round. He's gonna make it this time. Woo! Hell yeah!